Scotty, are you playing with Joey's head?
I hope you like it, Joey.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm going in deep, baby.
Oh, my God. I can't take you guys anywhere. All right, let's go ahead and pull that off.
I popped your head like a bottle cap.
I was being serious, but now I don't know what the hell we're doing. Okay, you got it. So let's pull it off and gently set that baby on the ground. Just put your fingers in the hole. All right, so don't set it on the deck. Stand it up. Stand it up. Stand it up. All right. I mean, those look nice and clean in there.
Yeah, they do. They look amazing.
So we just gotta clean the gasket off it.
I mean, a little bit of carbon, but I mean, that's kind of common, you know?
All right, so here's, I mean, these are Felpros, obviously, that were on here, and they're the goopy kind. So.
Okay, so what did you say? Finger in the hole?
Yep. Yes, finger in the hole. You go pull it up in the gasket.
All right, now this one's got some major oil in it.
Okay, well, just tilt it, set it on the thing. Don't put it on the deck.
I'm not putting it on the deck.
Thank you.
But I don't know about you, but these things weigh almost as much as I do.
They don't weigh hardly anything compared to some heads. Anyway.
Hello?
I know,
they weigh almost as much as I do.
You weigh 9 pounds, we know. You're anorexic.
Trash?
Yes, we are. I mean.
Yeah, this cylinder, dude, it's got a ton of oil.
Yeah. But look at all this.
Yeah, and there's a ton. Ready?
Okay, so these pistons, these are 30 over. So this thing has been rebuilt at some point, but it was probably rebuilt forever ago. So these are 30 over pistons.
That one's filled with carbon deposits. This one's filled with oil.
Yeah. This is all not good. But we already knew that this thing wasn't good. So we got a 30 over short block that probably needs to go to the machine shop if somebody wants to buy this. But Joey, the heads off this motor are in far better condition than the heads on this one.
Yes.
So just without even pulling it. So, you know, they rebuilt your heads at some point, but the bottom end was rebuilt forever ago. But it has been rebuilt. It's 30 over. So yeah, I'm actually going to contact Alan and be like, hey, do you want this 30 over block? Because it could probably go to 40, or maybe you can just bump hone through it.
Yeah.
And make sure you get the cam situation figured out, and it's good to go.
Yeah.
So I'll call him. That way Joey gets a little cash, and then maybe we can sell these heads with this motor, with this short block, and, you know, basically somebody's got a complete-ish piece where you just machine it and
put some money on Joey's bill for him. I mean, that's the least we can do.
Yeah, I mean, that's what we're trying to help. So,
yep.
Anyway, there's that info.